Today's world demands more than solutions. It demands vision. In an age defined by disruption and reinvention, creativity is no longer a luxury. It's a force for change. At Intuit Lab, we believe design is the language of possibility. In partnership with Electronic Arts and Pair, we launched Play to Make a Better World, a bold creative call stretching across 6 campuses and 3 continents. The question, what if games could do more? Not just entertain, but solve problems, preserve cultures, and inspire change. Over 250 daring ideas emerged. Designers, thinkers, storytellers, students from France, India, Brazil, united by purpose. 8 powerful projects rose to the top, each one built by an international team. 3 students, 3 countries, 1 mission.
From Brazil, France, and India together really shows how international is the school, so that's super exciting.
Together, they turned imagination into innovation. And one idea went even further.
The Echoes of the River is way more than a game. It is an act of cultural preservation.
All the way from the classroom to Electronic Arts headquarters in San Francisco. From pitch decks to global platforms, they saw how far a creative spark could travel.
That was a really great experience, just to see how people work and how people think.
This is what we nurture at Intuit Lab, a school where creativity crosses borders, challenges limits, and connects the real world with bold imagination. Our students don't just study design. They play, they build, they dream, and together, they design a better world.